please tell me why it's nearly 9 AM and I'm still freezing and it's still dark outside. Not like pitch black, but it's still dark. It's not the brightest outside. I think it's because it's been raining and I'm just like not here for it, but whatever. I've made some breakfast. I've got a bagel and sausage and egg. I'm very excited for this. I've been craving a bagel. And I've also got a nice coffee. I think this is a mocha latte pod that I just put into the coffee machine. I just put a random one in and just hoped for the best. I don't even know how to use that coffee machine half the time. I just press buttons. Tastes lovely. So I'm gonna eat this. The egg is gonna go everywhere. Oh my god, that looks so good. I thought I would give you a taste test real quick. Delish. I've had a bath. I love having a bath so much. I had a bubble bath actually and it was so relaxing. I've gotten dressed. Let me show you my outfit. It's not very interesting. Look pretty fat. Anyways, got this top on. I think this top is from Primark. And these leggings, the fluffy leggings from Primark. And then I'm gonna put on some slippers just for now while I get ready so my feet stay warm. These are the slippers I've got. My cousin actually got me these. These are from Asda. They're so cute. They're so comfy as well. I'm gonna curl my hair. I got this curler literally from B&M a couple of weeks ago because everyone stole my curlers and then one of them broke. So I had to get a new curler, which is really, really annoying. And I'm also gonna use this 7-in-1. It's got heat protection, reduces split ends, detangling, leave-in conditioner, reduces frizz and smooths. Blow dry styling and adds shine. And this is by Paw. I love Paw so much. It's such a good brand, but I use this religiously. It comes in a 2-pack, so it comes with this one and another one, which is a pink one, and the pink one is for beach waves, so it gives like a beach waves look. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, it just has beach waves on it, so that's what I'm guessing. I've also been on a massive hair care journey, so I tried to use heat protection and everything, and this is my new brush. It's a Flexi Flow. I love it so much. It just glides through your hair. I really want the Kerastase hair oil. I really want it. I might have to treat myself to it soon because I really, really want it. And I also really, really, really want the night serum because, oh my gosh, such a good serum. And then I just run it through my hair. I don't really trust formulas that have 7-in-1 because you just, how can you have 7 stuff in one? Like, it just doesn't really make sense in my head. But this product is actually really good. Like, I do actually really recommend it. I love Paw though, like, such a good brand. I actually really want the Dyson hair wrap, but I don't know whether to just get a dupe of it because I know some people have been struggling with the Dyson hair wrap and saying that it breaks quite easily. So I think I might just get a dupe of it, because I feel like that would reduce heat so much on my hair, because where I use heat quite often, because obviously I straighten my hair as well, I blow dry and straighten it. So if I get that, I feel like it would reduce so much heat and it'll be so quick and easy as well. Rubbed my face, that's why I'm red. I've curled my hair. It's looking lovely. I'm gonna put some of this serum in it. It's the hair serum. I love L'Oreal products so much. Such a slay. I think I've used like oh no, I'm halfway through. Normally put this on at night times as well, so I leave it on overnight to properly get like a revive in my hair. Just brush it through with my fingers. Yeah, it's such a good serum. It keeps my hair so moisturized as well. Split ends have reduced from using this, which I love so much, because obviously where I put so much heat on my hair, you would think I would have quite a few split ends, but I haven't been, and it's been so nice. But yeah, that's my hair. I'm gonna do a quick bit of makeup because obviously I've got work, so I just want to look a bit more alive. I'm not gonna put on a lot, just like a little bit. Probably do my eyebrows. Where do you even put concealer these days? I don't even know. I'm gonna use my Chanel cream bronzer. Love this cream bronzer so much. It blends so well. I'm gonna do a liquid blush now. This is from e.l.f. I got recommended this this blush from a girl at work, like my bestie, my work bestie. She recommended this blush and I was like, oh my god, it's a slay. It has actually one of my favourite blushes. I use it all the time. And it's so pigmented, I only need one dot on each side. Now I'm just gonna gel my eyebrows. I literally just use this clear gel from Collection. This is my favourite mascara. This is Lancome. This is the setting spray I'm gonna use. This is one of my favourite setting sprays ever. So good. Going for a no lash look. Hell's on my jumper. What the hell? Is literally chucking it down today, but I literally just need to put some stuff in my bag. I need to take a hair clip for work because I'm trying not to use hair bands unless they're silk hair bands. I'm just gonna put this on the handle of my work bag and then it's easy to take off. Yeah, I'm also gonna put on this necklace. I got this from Lavisa, but I just thought let's just put on another necklace. I've already got one on, this one. My best friend got me this for my birthday. There you go. So you got a little bow and some butterflies now. Because it's raining and cold outside, so I have to put my hood up real quick. Just so I get this coat on. And then my earmuffs. And now I feel like ready for the winter spirits to come flying in. But that's my morning routine, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of me. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got to show you this morning. That's all I did this morning. But I have got to go because I do have a job. I feel like these earmuffs are so what's it called? Big.